Catherine Bernardo update na sa event ng Summer Sunday Lovely Fest. Kasama ang cast ng Summer Sunday ay na si Catherine as Billy, you know. Ano ba ang sabihan ng mga fans niya? May pa-red carpet pa, oh.
Pero eto, sisimulan na natin yung sinasabi natin interaction with the fans. Kaya naman, simulan na natin ang kasiyahan with Chican. So dahil po, connected kayo sa love list, let's talk about love. Allah! Agad-agad! Okay,
First love
for Catherine naman, sa tingin mo ba necessary or canon event sa character development ng isang tao ang kanyang first love experience?
Canon event. It's
Diba?
such a Gen Z
I
thing. love it.
know!
First love, I think all of our firsts are memorable. Whether it's first love, first heartbreak, first
Crush!
first success, first failure, diba? Lagi yun yung naaalala natin. But I think yung sa question mo na kung may natututunan, sorry.
Parang nabubuo ba yung character development?
I think the character development of a person happens every day. It's not character development of a person happens every day. It's not just, sa love and all. Like, wala naman siyang pinipiling chapter ng buhay mo. You will learn every day because of the people we meet, sa mga experiences natin. So, siguro isa lang yung first love. And, like, for me in general, ang dami ko natutunan sa love, but I think life is like our biggest lesson. So, we learn every day. We keep going.
Yun.
Oh,
Siyempre,
flash. Pwede during.
compatibility test.
During.
Oh! So, yung daddy mo, Smaha and Catherine. Pwede kayo pakain sa lahat? Sa
During
crew?
dating.
During dating.
Magpa-message yan, ate, pag ganito tayo, ate, ganito.
Seryoso? When it comes to
Peter and
love?
Jordan. Ang
Ang
mga
pinakaayoko sa lahat.
Yung sila Catherine, James.
Yung manloloko.
Hindi chikahan pa nga sila.
Pero ginawa mo pa din.
No, three!
Ayun, sasayaw si Catherine, oh.
Hey! Hey! Mapapa! At the people who will bring this beautiful story to
Catherine,
life. Let's watch
James,
it.
Maha, katulad pa.
Matagal nyo lang hinihintay itong araw na to. This celebration is especially for you. And of course, we'd like to welcome everyone who's watching us right now live. Hello sa inyo dyan. I'd also like to acknowledge our COO, Mariana Gazi.
See you later, Kat. Ito mo ay pasok sa mga pa. Nandun na siya sa backstage. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.